I still remember sitting at my kitchen table, staring at the stack of bills, and feeling that knot tighten in my stomach. Rent, utilities, groceries, all of it demanding attention, all of it unavoidable. I thought, this is life, right? You work, you pay bills, you hope something is left at the end of the month. But deep down, I knew something was off. There had to be a way to live without the constant weight of scarcity. Hi, my name is Jordan. I've spent the last 12 years studying money, markets, and the subtle patterns that quietly separate those who scrape by from those who thrive. And here's what I discovered. You don't need a six-figure salary or a risky gamble to replace your rent. You just need to understand one quiet principle, the compounding power of reliable monthly dividend stocks. Here's the catch most people miss. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what your money does for you. Most people assume the path to financial freedom starts with a huge income, an expensive portfolio, or insider knowledge. They think you need to beat the market or have luck on your side. The reality? Small, consistent streams of income, strategically deployed, can shift everything. You just need to see them differently. The turning point for me came when I realized that I was treating money like a spectator sport. I'd watch my paycheck come in, spend on what felt urgent, and hope the rest survived. But I wasn't investing in outcomes that mattered. I wasn't building a system that worked for me, even while I slept. That's when I discovered the invisible threshold, the point at which passive income covers your essential living expenses. Once you cross this threshold, life changes. You start seeing opportunities instead of threats. A $500 unexpected expense doesn't send you into panic. An offer to freelance, to take on a side project, or even negotiate a raise feels like leverage, not desperation. Momentum builds quietly like gravity, pulling a small snowball down a hill, until one day it's rolling fast enough to move mountains. Now, let's break it down in practical terms. Suppose your monthly rent is $1,200. That's the number we're targeting. 6 carefully chosen dividend stocks, each paying monthly, can realistically generate that amount with a total investment of roughly $100,000. It's not magic. It's simple math. Pick reliable companies, reinvest dividends where needed, and allow time and compounding to do the heavy lifting. Think about it this way. If one of your stocks pays a 5% annual dividend, that's $5 per $100 invested each year. Spread that across 6 positions, and with some reinvestment, you start seeing a steady stream that eventually mirrors or even exceeds your rent. And once your essential expenses are covered, your mental bandwidth changes. You're no longer reacting to scarcity. You're planning, designing, and making strategic decisions that multiply your options rather than limit them. Here's the psychological shift I want you to grasp. Survival mode distorts every choice. Fear of missing a payment, scarcity of time, desperation for security, they cloud judgment. But once your monthly essentials are covered passively, your brain stops spinning on emergencies. Decisions become optional, not obligatory. Stress scenarios become opportunities disguised as challenges. That's when real acceleration begins. And it's not about chasing overnight success or trying to hit a jackpot. That's where most people fail. The power lies in consistency, compounding, and delayed gratification. Invest steadily. Let dividends reinvest. Watch them grow month after month. Within a year, you'll have the equivalent of your rent arriving without lifting a finger. That's autonomy, not luck. But it's also an identity shift. You start seeing yourself differently. No longer the person scrambling at the end of the month, you become someone in control. You notice how little decisions, like skipping a trendy gadget or delaying an expensive meal, contribute to larger freedom. You understand that controlling money isn't about obsession. It's about structure, patience, and intentionality. And here's something many people don't realize. The same $1,200 means entirely different things at different stages of this journey. While in survival mode, it's fear and stress. After crossing your passive income threshold, it's optional. Rent, groceries, even a small vacation, they're choices, not burdens. You can approach life strategically instead of reactively. Big decisions now take priority over small ones. You stop obsessing over coffee or lunch expenses and start focusing on career moves, investment decisions, or housing options. Each choice compounds the last, accelerating your financial freedom. This is how small, consistent actions snowball into life-altering outcomes. There's a subtle power shift too. With this kind of financial cushion, negotiation becomes different. Freelance clients, landlords, even job offers, you can walk away if the terms aren't right. Your confidence isn't manufactured. It comes from the quiet certainty that your basic needs are already met. That's the leverage few understand until they experience it. Of course, this milestone isn't a reward. It's a foundation. Treating it like a trophy is a trap. Lifestyle inflation is subtle but dangerous. Upgrading your car, your apartment, or other consumables steals the future freedom you just built. Every dollar invested in experiences or assets that don't generate optionality is a dollar lost. The real reward is the choice it buys, the freedom to respond instead of react. Consider the opportunity cost. Spending $28,000 on a luxury item instead of investing it in your dividend system is more expensive than you realize. It isn't just about dollars. It's about months or even years of delayed freedom. Every conscious trade-off becomes emotionally clear, not through guilt, but through insight. Discipline isn't deprivation, it's design. Over the months, the growth becomes undeniable. Your first rent replacement dividend arrives, then another, then 6, and suddenly, the psychological weight of scarcity evaporates. You begin thinking strategically instead of panicking. The shift is quiet, but transformative. Your energy once tied to worry is now available for growth. You're building something real, something inevitable. Let me emphasize, this isn't luck, timing, or insider knowledge. Replacing your rent with monthly dividend stocks is about structure, discipline, and leveraging compounding consistently. It's about building freedom slowly, deliberately, and resiliently. And when you do, the person you become isn't just someone who earns passive income, they're someone who thinks clearly, decides intentionally, and lives with calm confidence. The final truth is simple. 6 monthly dividend stocks aren't just investments, they're tools of autonomy. They allow you to separate survival from growth, to turn stress into optionality, to transform scarcity into strategy. And the most powerful part? Once you start, the system works for you every month, quietly, reliably, and invisibly. Freedom becomes inevitable. My name is Jordan. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video.